The last unit of the year is on data and how we look at data and how we observe data and how we interpret data. And there's three ways that we collect data: surveys, observational studies, and experiments. They're slightly, and you'll look at some situations and decide which of these is being done. Survey, means of obtaining information from a population or a sample of the population. An observational study is an examination in which individuals are observed and no attempt is made to influence the results. An experiment is an operation in which something is intentionally done to people, animals, or objects, and then the response is observed. When we start looking at collecting data, we have to look at the population from which the data is being collected. And a couple of ways that we can collect data for surveys or other ways of looking at data. We can look at the census, in which all are surveyed, and a sample in which only part of or some are surveyed. And sometimes as we sample these things or take a part of the entire population, it can become biased when the survey favors a certain outcome, and if not, then it would be considered unbiased when a survey is completely random. In an experiment, a group of people or a population is split into two groups: a treatment group in which something is done to them, and a control group in which nothing is done, so that it can be compared then to the treatment group. Oftentimes the control group gets what's called a placebo. When an experiment is done, sometimes the results may show a correlation, a relevance, a relationship, and so when one event happens, the other event is more likely to occur. And sometimes that correlation even goes a step further, in which you could say that one event is the direct cause of the other event, in which you'd have causation. So post any questions you have, or post something to let me know that you've watched the video. Thank you very much.